OnePlus 3T LCD and touchscreen replacement guide.
Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need a plastic triangle opening tool, T2 torque screwdriver, nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, professional Phillips screwdriver,
Playing cards. Power down your OnePlus 3T phone. Eject the dual nano SIM card tray. Extricate the following two T2 torque screws from the bottom of the OnePlus 3T. Use the plastic triangle opening tool to release the clips, and then pop the OnePlus 3T out of its anodized aluminum rear enclosure. There is no pesky adhesive, making this procedure a snap. Detach the OnePlus 3T battery from the motherboard. Remove the falling Phillips screw and metal bracket. Spudge up the interconnect cable and the USB-C port cable from the motherboard. Remove the interconnect cable. Use the exposed clear plastic pull tab to peel the 3400 mAh battery off the adhesive, securing it to the OnePlus 3T. Unfasten the three connectors from the USB-C port assembly. Remove the following 7 Phillips screws. Easily pry up the OnePlus 3T USB-C port, headphone jack, and loudspeaker assembly. Disconnect the OnePlus 3T display cable and the signal cable from the motherboard. Remove the following 7 Phillips screws. With the cables and screws out of the way, free the OnePlus 3T motherboard from the phone. Pluck out the spring contact connected OnePlus 3T earpiece speaker. With the tweezers in hand, carefully peel up the OnePlus 3T power and volume buttons ribbon cable. Remove the signal cable from the side of the midframe. Extracting the OnePlus 3T capacitive home button and fingerprint sensor is a breeze. If issues develop with the home button, the absence of solder or adhesive will make it an easy fix. Use the heat gun to warm up the adhesive securing the 5.5-inch OnePlus 3T display assembly to the frame. With the precision knife, carefully create separation and insert a playing card to start slicing through the adhesive. Take your time to apply additional heat as needed. Patiently work around the OnePlus 3T AMOLED display with playing cards. Once you've sliced through the adhesive, be mindful of the display cable and the cables for the bottom buttons when decoupling the display assembly from the frame. Carefully peel up the cables for the OnePlus 3T bottom buttons from the front panel.
Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.